Today we'll be installing the Trafalgar FyrePOWER fire-rated GPO box. The FyrePOWER is a fire-stopping device for the protection of electrical wall sockets in fire-rated plasterboard walls. To see the full range of approved wall sockets, wall types, services and FRLs, refer to the technical manual and reports on the Trafalgar website. Trace the perimeter of the FyrePOWER with a pencil or marker. Use the outline as a guide to cut out an opening in the wall. The resulting hole should leave enough clearance for a snug fit. Using a jab saw or file, clean up the edges of the opening. Route the cables through the opening in the wall. Pierce one of the 3 designated slots in the FyrePOWER, then run the cable through the slot. Press the FyrePOWER into the opening, ensuring it sits flush with the face of the wall. The FyrePOWER has 2 mounting tabs. Push both of the tabs laterally into the wall cavity before fastening the screws. Now the wall socket faceplate can be fixed into the FyrePOWER. With that, the installation is now complete. Visit our website for more details.